So just taking a quick look at Chainlink then on our daily time frame here for another daily update on the channel. As we can see, getting a pullback in line with Bitcoin, having a tiny amount of bearish momentum to the downside. Can you hear the resentment in my voice? Because it's getting pretty annoying at this point, I have to be honest. You can see Bitcoin here basically coming up, tapping into the 50% of this move and getting a bearish reaction from this area. As you can see, Bitcoin woke up today and chose violence, 3 red candles in a row, as you can see here. And basically just looking like it's essentially just having a little tiny pullback of around 2 or 3k, which is really nothing for Bitcoin at this point. But the altcoin basket having an absolutely terrible reaction to it, as you can see. Pretty much everything having a crazy pullback here. Really overreacting, in my opinion, to this Bitcoin price action. But as we know, Bitcoin as and will always, until proven wrong, lead the market in general. Bitcoin pulling back here means that we're having a retracement for the rest of the altcoin basket, and as a result, Chainlink here getting a retracement as well. Pretty incredible that 2 or 3 red candles for Bitcoin can basically pull back the entire week's worth of gains. Half the gains wiped out from last week already for Chainlink, just because Bitcoin decided to have a few red candles on the hourly time frame. Really does show the strength of Bitcoin and how highly correlated everything is to it pulling back. Bitcoin recently has been having a decent little rally to the upside here and allowing the altcoin space to have the move that it's had recently, as you can see. But when Bitcoin pulls back, we have massive overreactions in the altcoin space as always, and you can see here Chainlink no exception to this. The hourly time frame right now, you can see last week we had a very decent move to the upside off of these lows from around $22 up to around $25, almost $26 there, looking pretty good. But you can see here Bitcoin with a little bit of a pullback here, probably for continuation over the weekend. And then Bitcoin opening up bearish today, you can see, pulling the altcoin space back. I think Bitcoin here has a potential to bounce out of this nice fair value gap here on the hourly, sweep liquidity and continue like this. This could potentially be a good trade, actually, if you trade fair value gaps, by the way, something that I also trade on the side. But right now, as you can see, Chainlink just pulling back, looking bearish in regards to Bitcoin pulling the market back in general. And we're going to have to see which direction Bitcoin takes the market this week, because it is still king, and we are still waiting to see that full altcoin breakout and decorrelation from this Bitcoin price action. As always, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, leave a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.